Meet the new Shark Cordless Detect Pro vacuum. It introduces smart technology that includes dirt, floor, edge, and light detect. This technology senses dirt and the environment and automatically adapts to the brush roll speed, suction power, and headlights for optimized cleaning. To get started, unbox the unit and place the nozzle and the parts on a flat surface. To assemble the vacuum, connect the hand vac to the wand. Next, remove the sticker from the hand vac's digital screen. The battery will arrive charged to 30%, so you'll want to make sure it's charged to 100% before your first use. To assemble the auto empty dock, make sure the dock is facing upright. Slide the charging post into the slot on the front of the dock until it clicks. Place the cordless vacuum onto the dock. Once assembled, plug the power cord into the wall outlet. To install the odor puck into the base, flip up the dial handle on the puck and align the teal arrows. Rotate the dial counterclockwise to lock the puck into place and desired scent for intensity. To charge the vacuum, place it on the dock in a downward motion. Once properly attached, the auto evacuation process will begin, lasting 15 seconds. The battery indicator will pulse white when the charging is complete. Once the battery pack is fully charged, the vacuum is ready for use. Turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the bottom of the LED screen. The LED screen shows the battery level, mode type, and even tracks debris levels, telling you when your floors are clean. Next to the power button is the mode selection button, which allows you to cycle through Eco, Auto, and Boost.
When you first turn your unit on, the default setting of Auto mode will optimize suction and runtime for maximum cleaning. To maximize runtime, press the mode selection button to go into Eco mode. If you want to maximize power, press the mode button again to go into Boost mode.
For the best balance of runtime and performance, we suggest Auto mode for carpets and bare floors. For more cleaning tips and tricks, visit us at sharkclean.com.